Mysterious allergic reaction.
Good morning, doctor. Good morning. How are you? I have an allergic reaction. I don't know why. Where? On my arm. And on my legs? Let me see. It's very red. Yes. It's a strong reaction. When did it start? This morning. Did you eat something new yesterday? Yes. I ate seafood. Ah. It could be that. The seafood? Yes. It's very common. I never had problems before. Allergies can start late. Really? Of course. Did you use new cream? No. New detergent? Not either. Then it's the seafood. What do I do? Take this medicine. How many times a day? 2. Morning and night. Perfect. And don't eat seafood. Okay. If it doesn't improve, come back. In how many days? 3 days. Very well. Do you have other allergies? Not that I know. Make a list of everything you eat. For what? To identify more allergies. Good idea. Does it hurt? A little. It's normal. The medicine helps. Thank you, doctor. You're welcome. Take care. See you later. See you later.
Rooftop Sunset.
How beautiful. Yes. It's gorgeous. Look at those colors. Orange and pink. And a bit golden. Perfect. Do you come here a lot? Yes. Almost every day. Really? I like it a lot. I understand you. It's very relaxing. Exactly. After work I come here. Do you work nearby? Yes. In that building? How lucky. Very. The sun is going down. Fast. What time does it set? At 7. Always the same? No. It changes with the seasons. Of course. In winter it's earlier. Exactly. Look at the clouds. They're pink. Like cotton candy. Yes. Very good comparison. Do you have your phone? Of course. Can you take a picture of me? Of course. With the sunset behind. Perfect. Very beautiful. Thank you. One together. Okay. Come here. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. The sun is gone already. It left fast. But it was beautiful. Yes. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for inviting me. Shall we go? Let's go.
Thanksgiving cooking chaos.
Oh my God. What's wrong? The turkey is burned. Burned. Yes. Look. No. What do we do? I don't know. The family arrives in 2 hours. Is there another turkey? No. At the supermarket? It's closed. It's Thanksgiving. Right. What about chicken? What chicken? In the refrigerator. Yes. There are 2 chickens. Perfect. How much time do they need? An hour and a half. We have time. What about the potatoes? They're fine. Are you sure? Yes. But the mash is salty. Very salty. A lot. Can you fix it? Of course. With more potatoes. Are there more? I think so. The pie. What pie? I forgot the pie. Pumpkin pie? Yes. Do you have the ingredients? Yes. But there's no time. I'll make the pie. You cook the chickens. Do you know how to make pie? A little. Okay. There's no other option. Where's the recipe? On my phone. The code? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very secure. It's not time for jokes. Sorry. Here's the recipe. Let's go. We can do it.
Route argument.
This isn't the route. Yes, it is. No. Look at the GPS. The GPS is wrong. How can it be wrong? It's always wrong. I know this route better. I know it too. But you don't use it. Because it's longer. Longer? Please. 20 minutes more. It says here 15 minutes less. Where does it say? On my phone. Your phone is wrong too. Really? This route avoids traffic. What traffic? It's Sunday. There's construction on the highway. Where? After the bridge. I don't see construction. It's further ahead. Turn here. No. Please. Trust me. Why? Because I know the way. I know it too. Look. There's traffic over there. A little. A lot of traffic. Okay. You're right. I'm always right. Not always. Almost always. How much left? Half an hour. With this route? Yes. It's fine. Are you hungry? A little. There's a restaurant nearby. Where? At the next exit. Okay. But then I choose the route. Agreed. Perfect.
Vintage clothing shopping.
Good morning. Good morning. Are you looking for something special? A leather jacket. What size? Medium. I have several. Come this way. Thank you. This one is very pretty. Can I try it on? Of course. Where are the fitting rooms? In the back. Okay. I'll be back in a minute. Perfect. I love it. It fits you very well. How much does it cost? 80 euros. 80. It's authentic leather. From the 70s. That old? Yes. That's why it's valuable. It's a lot of money. It's a fair price. Can you give me a discount? How much do you want to pay? 60 euros. Very little. It's what I have. 70 euros. It's my final offer. 65? Okay. Because I like you. Perfect. Here's the money. Thank you. Do you want a bag? Yes, please. Paper or plastic? Paper. Here you go. Do you have more jackets like this? Sometimes. People come and sell things. Can I leave my number? Of course. If you find something similar, I'll call you. Great. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy it. See you later. See you later.
Walking the dog.
Good morning. Good morning. My dog pulls a lot. Yes. I see he's big. He's very strong. He doesn't listen to me. Is he young? Yes. He's 1 year old. Ah, of course. Young dogs have a lot of energy. Is your dog calm? Yes. But he's very old. How old is he? 12 years old. So old. Yes. He used to pull a lot too. Really? Of course. All young dogs pull. Do you have any advice? Yes. Stop when he pulls. Stop. Exactly. Don't walk when he pulls. Ah, I understand. And give him treats. When he doesn't pull. What kind of treats? Dog biscuits. Very good. I'm going to try. Perfect. You need patience. Yes. Thank you for the advice. You're welcome. Do you come here every day? Yes. In the morning. We do too. Great. See you tomorrow. Perfect. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Come on, Max. Good luck. Thank you. Remember. Stop when he pulls. Yes. I'm going to try. Very good. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Gift shopping.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Can I help you? Yes. I'm looking for a gift. Perfect. For whom? For a baby. Boy or girl? Girl. Very good. How old is she? She hasn't been born yet. Ah, of course. It's for a baby shower. Exactly. What's your budget? About €30. Perfect. I have several options. What do you recommend? Clothes are very practical. Yes. What sizes? 6 to 12 months. Parents have a lot of small clothes. Very good idea. There are also toys. For a newborn? Of course. Soft music. Soft colors too. Can I see? Of course. Here they are. How pretty. I like this teddy bear. Yes. It's very soft. How much does it cost? €25. Perfect. Do you also want clothes? No. Just the teddy bear. Very good. Should I wrap it? Yes. Please. Pink paper. Perfect. One moment. Thank you. Here you go. How pretty. Are you paying with card? Yes. Here, please. Done. Thank you. Enjoy the party. Thank you. See you later.
Wrong text message.
Hi. Hi. Sorry. Did you get my message? What message? About the party. I don't understand. I wrote to you last night. No. I didn't receive anything. Really? Wait. I'm going to check. Okay. Oh no. What's wrong? I wrote to you by mistake. By mistake. Yes. The message was for Maria. Ah, of course. No problem. Did you read the message? Yes. I read it this morning. How embarrassing. Don't worry. It only talked about a party. Yes. It's my sister's birthday. How nice. Do you know Maria Garcia? Yes. From history class. Exactly. You have similar names on my phone. My name? Mario. Ah, yes. Mario and Maria. Very similar. Yes. It happens a lot. To you too? Of course. Once I wrote to my professor. Really? Yes. It was for my girlfriend. How horrible. Very embarrassing. Well. Sorry for the mistake. No problem. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy the party. Thank you. See you later. Goodbye.
First guitar lesson.
Hi. Hi. Are you Anna? Yes. That's me. Perfect. I'm Carlos, your teacher. Nice to meet you. Likewise. Is this your first class? Yes. I've never played guitar. Don't worry. We all start like that. Did you bring a guitar? Do you have a guitar? Yes. It's here. Very good. Can I see it? Of course. How beautiful. It's a classical guitar. Is it good? Yes. Perfect for starting. Great. First, we're going to tune. Tune. Yes. The strings need the correct tone. I don't know how. It doesn't matter. I'll teach you. Thank you. Do you hear? Yes. This string is low. Low? Yes. It needs more tension. Ah, I understand. Now you. Play this string. Like this. Perfect. It sounds different. Exactly. Now it's tuned. How interesting. Now let's go with basic chords. Chords. Yes. Several strings together. Okay. The first chord is C. How do you do it? I'll show you. Put your finger here. Is this right? Very good. Now play. It sounds perfect. It's your first chord.
Demanding personal trainer.
Come on. 10 more. I can't. Yes, you can. I'm very tired. It's normal. Just 5 more. Please. I need to rest. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Thank you. Water. Yes. Please. Here you go. Thank you. Do you always train like this? How? So intense. Yes. It's my method. It's very difficult. The results are better. But everything hurts. It's temporary. Tomorrow you'll feel better. Really? Of course. It's part of the process. I don't know. Maybe it's too much for me. No. You can do it. But I'm a beginner. I know. That's why we start hard. Can we go slower? It's not my style. But I feel bad. Bad how? Dizzy. And my legs are shaking. Okay. Let's sit for a moment. Thank you. Better. A little. Did you eat breakfast today? Just coffee. Ah. That's the problem. The coffee? No. You didn't eat anything. Is it important? Very important. You need energy to train. I didn't know. No problem. Today we finish here. Already? Yes. Eat something before tomorrow. Okay. Thanks for understanding.